final tab on the application is the download page. The download page works by creating a bundle of all of the data we selected prior to downloading it. The Plots tab has previews of any plots we may have generated. Select the table row to get the preview. If you would like to download the plot, select the checkbox under the download column. We should be careful not to click the Bundle Data button until we have all our selections made. Next, we can do the same thing for any data files we used in this tutorial we would like to download. The final tab of integration is Processing Report. We will use this to generate a report of our plots and analysis. We will select Yes in Download Report and all report elements we want to include using the checkboxes. Next, we will bundle everything up using the Bundle Up Selected Items button. Finally, we will click Download Bundle. We will get a zipped file that contains our plots and data selected as well as a processing report. Let's take a quick look at the report.